ukhuluma noBilly from kuhlelo elibiza nge-Identical Force.
Yazi lapha.
Ngicela ukuthi ungalele futhi ne.
Angasho ukuthi ngiyena.
Akafuni inkinga ukuthi ubaba lo Master Thomas khuluma ngefone uba nenkinga nathi and of which uyabona so khuluma kanjani nasikhuluma lokhu busy uyalwa lokhu busy uyalwa and thina silwi naye. You understand? Okay, mamela bhuti. Ehlelweni lethu sibereka so. Okay, fine, we can't talk. Uyazi inkinga. Okay, ngicela ukuthi si-exchange amana because manje uyasdisturb. Angisho ukuthi yena nakakhuluma ukukhulumela esayidini. Thina sifuna ukukhuluma nawe siso akafuni. So manje ngithi ngikutshele ngifuna ukuchasela ngehlelo lethu. Ihlelo lethu siyabhalelwa. Umuntu asinikeze ebegodi amaphepha sicheck amaphepha yonke into sicheke sithi okay it's fine njengoba kunguwe obekade kule ndawo kufike nabantu bafuna ungena kule ndawo forcefully bathi bacachisa ngoba wena bothi zawucachisa abantu jikijiki sewuthola kungena abanye abantu bathi ifamily or some sort of bafike bangena lapho wena solo kuphetha amaphepha unikeze ungibaba omncane wakho kule ndawo so akhe siyokuzwa ukuthi abantu abangenile bangene ngaliphi we understand so isatho sethu sokuthi usibona sila sizokuthola iside le story because we don't know who is the owner ongenile kanje ubaba lo ufuna ukuthola ukuthi ongenile ungibani begodi thina silandelele loyo yona umuntu loyo asinankinga nabacashi. That is why thina umuntu esimfunako sifuna ukuthi thina basitshela ukuthi ba communicate nobani and then senze ama investigation wethu ngendlela ekumele senze ama investigation ngakhona. We understand? So ngoba thina siphethe side le one. That is why Master Thomas ingena logo sibiza sithole chance. Maye nabakhuluma ngokuthi bayalwa because ishow yethu uma ungayichecka each and every time. Siyaya vele everywhere sicoxe sikhulume nabantu. Siphethe side le one lika baba. Besifuna ukuthola side list 2 umuntu asverifyele. Asinikeze lokho anakho asitshela ukuthi hayi mina indawo ngayithenga or kwaba nama agent sicheck ukuthi yathengiswa njani yachangewa njani because yena uphethe amaphepha.
Yeah.
That is the reason why usibona sila.
Okay, but okay, really ukuba noJabu abazimbela ne.
Okay.
Indlu ionwa yimi. Ukuphumete uhleli lapha eThekwini.
Okay.
Bayabona. Indlu mina ngithenga kuphi ngithenga ku-auction uveze DPR ngo-2014.
Yes.
Okay.
The previous owner yendlu I think it was Mr. Mlawuzi.
Okay.
The old man I think who passed away.
Okay.
And because of not having life insurance.
Yeah.
And then I think the spouse couldn't pay the bond any further. So that's the background of the house.
Okay. Okay. Okay ngibuze baba sondela la. Uyamazi Mr. Mlawuzi?
Hayi ngimazi manje ngiyacala nokuzwa ngathi Mlawuzi.
Uyathoma umuzi. Bathi ubhubhile umuntu lo he was the pre-owner Mr. Mlawuzi.
Oh. Lo ngimazi ke bamfaka necethe ubhubhu baba omncane. Lo muntu lo ukuthi ngamthola la. Ngazi ngathi bekayilo khani bekayinje la emthethweni. Ngathi bamdubula nje umuntu wakhona yaba. Emva kwalokho singiyathola umuntu uzongitshela ukuthi phela le ndlu le obuhlala kiyo le wanika baba omncane wakho akunamuntu lapho uyaba asangitshelile njalo ngithi ngisazowe bafika yena ngiyamncaka nje nakutshela into atselayo bafika yena nalomfazi wakhe no doctor uhlala ngapha udoctor ubaletha lapha endlini kimi bathi kimi udoctor uthi no man ngihamba nalanga ngifona manje yabona so indawo le ihleli iyodwa so ngicela bafuna ucatsha yabona ngathi kuye ngicela ukuthi no imaka kancane ndoda ngicela ukuthi ngizoya kamasipala edrobheni and then ngifika kamasipala ngiyochecka ukuthi lapho bahlala lapho bebabhadala njani yabona nengifika le kamasipala ngithola sekuchithwe amaphepha
bashintsha amaphepha
yeah sibachintsha amaphepha walendlu le and mina ngiphethe original laba ngibona
okay it's fine
yes,
Mr. ithi ngenze sona
I change kamasipala ethethe default.
Okay.
Mina ngiphethe default yalapho.
Okay.
Akuzingakho ngizela.
Okay.
DP is causing.
Okay.
Ushintsha amaphepha kamasipala. Lento ithithwa maloya.
Oh, ichintsha maloya. Yeah, ngizo mina into engizoyenza mfowethu ne ngizokwenza ama follow up ngendlela yethu leyo because thina sibona amaphepha ubaba waphethe sizibuza ukuthi abiza njani ubaba lo and everything sizokuthi masicedako sizokutshela ukuthi what is it that we can do sizokufonela ngicabanga ukuthi sizokuthatha amanamba akho sizokufonela and then sizokujika nakwamasipala senze yonke ukuthi ikhanjiswe njani ukuthengiswe njani yonke lento and then si-check ukuthi why amaphepha asabiza ngoba bomncane akhe kuze njani ukuthi aphume ngakuyo uyayibona.
uphethe maphi amaphepha yena uphethe i-title deed uphethe liphi iphepha nawe uphethe amaphepha uzoyini wena
Angizwa?
uphethe amaphepha.
Okay, it's fine. Ngimaphi amaphepha waphethe?
title deed utshela ukuthi title deed
Oh, uthi uphethe i-title deed.
uphethe incwadi yaka-chief DPTO uphethe i-title deed
Yes.
title deed
uphetheni
Uthi uphethe i-title deed.
i-original title deed leyo
Yes.
uyayazi ukuthi ubonakala ngayo.
Ithi yazi ithi ngenze njani so because for now I'm here.
Yenza ukhululo yakho baba ne.
Yes.
Number yami ngabona ukuthi support me but because ngisebenza eMine sometimes ngize ungangithola. Just bona ukwenza WhatsApp benza appointment so that ngazi ukuthi ngizavale ukuthi ukhulume nawo.
Akunankinga.
I'm going to do it Saturday.
Okay, no, hayi na usho kanje la kunankinga sizoyenza iphenyisiso lethu.
From 11 until 2 o'clock I've been with them.
Okay. Ngizakuthi mangibuya kuye ngizakubuya ngiphethe yonke into ekhambelana naleyo baba ngipha yona. Ngiyakuthokoza mfo. No, thina siyakhulumisana, thina umsebenzi wethu vele uloyo. Obviously thina umbereko wethu asilwi nabantu. Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sifike silale ungeza usinikeze isite lakho le store ngisho. And then uthola ukuthi isite lakho osipha lona. Ngikhuluma nge-complainant. Usipha isite lakhe and then bese thina sithi okay siyakuzwa. Awuthi sihambe siyokuzwa isite elinye lesi2. Then masiceda ukulalela isite lesi2 bese siyabuya ke siyokwenza iphenyo ngayo yonke into ekhona. That is why size la. Sisiya la khona asikhombisa khona asitshela ngale ndawo le bese sithole ukuthi mhlambe kunabacatsha siyaphuma ebacashini sifuna the person or responsible.
Akunankinga mphathi wami.
Ngiyakuthokoza. Sure. Yes, right.
All right.
Yeah.
Did
No.
you get
Okay,
it right?
good one.
Yeah,
Did you get it right?
bakwethu thina umbereko wethu uwo loyo kuphela ecineni kwelanga. Sifikile silizwile isite sizokubuya sakwenzela ithi pheni siso.
that's good
Nathi sokhamba namacede ethu asitholela ubufakazi obuphelele ukuthi baba why asilethe la.
that's